Many times I wish you were here to fulfill the shadows of my dreams. Many times I wish you were near to the darkness as it's came, but it seems that you never see what I need to feel. Just tell me you love me, whisper words as I long to hear. Let this time not be borrowed, let it be ours to share. If you tell me you love me, if you lead the way to your heart, to the mirrors of silence, you love me. Why breathe? I breathe in